Hi, BroLearners. How are you? Hope you are doing great. My name is Ajaz and welcome back to my channel BroLearner. Today, I'm going to start a brand new tutorial on JavaScript. In this video, we'll see the introduction of JavaScript. Let's start. First of all, a JavaScript is a programming language for the web, or you can say you can develop a website with the help of JavaScript. Okay, and with the help of JavaScript we can update and change the HTML and CSS. Okay, and then we can manipulate, validate, and calculate data also with the help of JavaScript. Then this is the formal definition of JavaScript. It is a lightweight, object-oriented programming language used to design a website. Okay, it is a interpreted language. There is a two kind of programming language. Okay, first is compiled compile type language, and second is interpreted. JavaScript is interpreted language. JavaScript is a full-fledged programming language. We can interact with the help of JavaScript in our website. Okay, it is introduced in 1995 by the Netscape Navigator browser. These are the features of JavaScript. JavaScript follows the syntax of C, and it is lightweight and interpreted language. It is a case sensitive language. It means small case and capital case make a difference in defining the structure, for example, classes, variable, so on. Okay, and JavaScript is supportable in several operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and it provides good control to our building our website. Okay, then after that, if you learn JavaScript, you can switch to web development, desktop app development, mobile development. These are the libraries that you have to learn to become a web developer. For desktop, there is Electron.js, and for mobile, same but with the help. There is another one is React Native. Okay. Then after that, the requirement to learn JavaScript is the knowledge of basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. And if you are having any code like VS Code, Sublime, Atom, Notepad, or Notepad plus plus, or any kind of text editor, you can do the JavaScript programming. Okay. Then the web browser for JavaScript are Chrome browser, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.